Standard 7th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 10, Slide Transitions. Transitions are motion effects that, when in slideshow view, add movements to your slides as you advance from one slide to another. There are many transitions to choose from, each one of which allows you to control the speed and even add you sound. A slide transition in a presentation is how one slide is followed by the next slide. You can control the speed, add sound, and customize the transition effects. It adds a professional touch to your presentation. Transitions are different from the animations. Students, as animations are movement of objects and transitions are movements of slides one after the other. Types of slide transitions in PowerPoint 2016. Subtle. These are the most basic type of transitions. A basic simple style of transitions between slides. Exciting. These use more complex animations to transition between slides. Dynamic content. If you are transitions between two slides that are similar slide layouts, dynamic transitions will move only the placeholders, not the slides themselves. A transition slide style occurring on all the areas of the slide except the background. Okay, students? To apply slide transitions. First, student, select the slide you want to apply the slide transition. Second, on the Transitions tab, click on the More drop-down arrow in the transition to this slide group. Third, a drop-down menu of slide transition effects will appear. Choose the desired effect, which one you want. Fourth, the slide transition will be applied to the slide along with a preview. Okay. Now student, in the transition tab, if you want to see how your transitions will be affect, what you have to do, click on preview. Okay. Now every slide transition effect can be further customized by clicking on effect options in the transition to this slide group and choose the desired option. To customize slide transitions. After applying slide transition, in the Transitions tab, click on Sound in the Timing group. Means students, when you set your transition, you can set the sound and time also. Now, to add a sound effect while the slides move to the next slide, you can also add your own sound by clicking on other sound in the sound drop-down options. To change the speed of the slide transition, click on duration and enter the amount of the time duration. You can set the duration also. Okay. Now, on the Transitions tab under Advanced Slide, select the On Mouse Click or the After checkbox. If you select the After checkbox, type after how many seconds the slide should advance. Example, if the slide involves a lot of text matter to read, okay, the duration must be more, okay, so that the audience can read it very easily. To preview a slide transitions, we have a two option. Click on Preview in the Transition tab after applying the transition. Okay. Run between the previous slide and current slide to preview the transition applied to the current slide. Or student, on the slideshow tab, click on From Current Slide in the Start Slideshow group to view it in slideshow. Slideshow start from the current slide. Okay, press the escape key to exit the slideshow view. To delete a slide transition, on the Transitions tab, click on the More drop-down arrow in the transition to this slide group. Select None to remove the slide transition. To remove slide transitions from all the slides, select None and then click on Apply to All, okay, in the timing group. Thank you.